Today we are here at McDonald's trying the new menu items from the International Heist menu. So first off is I believe it's called the McRösti. It's from Germany. It's got bacon, cheese, and I believe it's some kind of mayo sauce and a hash brown. See what the Germans are doing. It's not bad. I don't know about the whole hash brown dynamic on a burger, though. It overall it does taste like pretty good, but I'd probably give this like about a 7 out of 10. Next we have these pizza bites from Italy. And they're going to be paired with sauces from Australia. And the UK. Sauce. Kind of just like almost just like a pizza pop that you can get at the grocery store. The sauce is pretty good too. Actually goes with it quite well actually. I'd probably give the pizza bite, I'll give it a solid 8 out of 10. And sauce number 1, sweet tangy chili sauce, probably give that also an 8. Okay, on to sauce number 2, garlic mayo from the UK. See how it pairs with the I would say the sweet tangy chili sauce went better with the pizza bites. I'd probably give that sauce maybe like a 6.5 out of 10. Next here we have the Teriyaki Chicken burger. It's got, I believe it's just lettuce and mayo. This one is from Japan. Let's see here. Yeah, it's good. The teriyaki isn't really overpowering, which is good, even though it is kind of like smothered in the sauce. And yeah, it's definitely better than the McRösti from Germany. So I'd probably give this a solid 8 out of 10.